If you've inherited a property in or around Columbus, Ohio, or if you're dealing with any type of probate situation that involves a property in Columbus, Ohio, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we've been buying properties from people who inherit properties in or around Columbus, Ohio. The reason people like working with us is we're going to keep it simple. Chances are, if you're dealing with this inheritance and probate situation, things might already be complex. You might have a lot on your plate, dealing with attorneys and courts and paperwork. We're not here to add to that complexity or add to the confusion. We're here to keep it simple, and we're going to be able to do that because we're going to be able to buy this property in its true as-is condition. What that means is you don't need to fix anything before selling the property and closing on the property. You don't need to haul anything away or clean anything. The conversation with somebody who inherits a property in Columbus, Ohio simply goes, you as the person who inherited the property, you can take out anything that you want. So if there's any collectibles or belongings or family heirlooms, take anything that you want out of the property. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you simply could leave behind. We're not going to ask you to haul anything away or fix the property or anything like that. You see, that's not like a traditional buyer. A traditional buyer, somebody working with an agent, they're going to charge you commissions and fees, and then they're more than likely using some type of loan that's going to require formal appraisals and inspections, and the property needs to pass inspection. Maybe they need you to fix something up before closing on the property. There's a lot of hoops that need to be jumped through, and it could be costly as well because there's always commissions and closing costs and things like that. When you sell your inherited property in Columbus to us here at Sell House Columbus, there's never going to be any hidden fees. There's never going to be any fees. There's no closing costs. There's nothing at all. You know exactly what it is that you're going to net at the very beginning, and we keep it very simple, very straightforward. When you call us, we're going to make you an offer on the property. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. If our offer does not work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. So our number here is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. If you've inherited a property in or around Columbus, Ohio, or if you're dealing with any type of probate situation that involves a property in Columbus, Ohio, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We look forward to working with you, communicating with you, providing options to you, and making this an easy, seamless transaction, just like we've done with hundreds and hundreds of other people in your same exact situation. So that number, once again, is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave, and I look forward to working with you.